What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna test this wheel cleaner from Meguiar'S. Let's see if this one works. Let's do it. Okay guys, we're back again. As you can see, the Supra is dirty. I haven't washed it for a while, like a week or more than a week. But I want to test this one, all wheel cleaner, because the wheels are very bad and I've been looking for something to clean the wheels, but I'm gonna test this one. And let's see if this one works or if it doesn't work. So we're gonna test it today. Okay, I'm gonna put the liquid and let it sit for a while, and let's see how good it is or how bad it is. Okay, so let's test it. Okay, I'm reading the instructions and it says do not pre-rinse the wheel, so do not add water, and the wheels has to be cool. And the first step is to apply the product on the wheels. The second, let it dry, let it work for 2 to 4 minutes, but do not let the product dry on the surface. Okay, so after 4 minutes, spray the water and then dry the water to prevent water spotting. Okay, so let's start with these steps. Let's do it. Okay, before I rinse that product, you can see it looks like it's working super good. Okay, but I forgot to spray that area. Alright, fine. But it looks like it's working super good, but it smells a little bit bad. Okay, but it looks good. So now let's rinse it and let's see the final result. Final product. All right, so it works pretty good. I missed some spots like that one, but I have to put more, and in here I might have to put a little bit more because it still has a little bit of grease in there. But the rest of the wheel, the exterior, the outside, it looks great. It looks amazing, super clean. You can see it there. Yeah. It works great. I'm amazed of this one. Super cool. So let me show you the difference between this one. This is the clean one. Let me show you the dirty one. You can see it. It's very dirty. You can see it here. And the brakes. Yes. So it works good. I like it. So now I'm gonna clean the wheels. So maybe a recommendation, don't put too much. I think if you put too much, you might damage your wheels. I don't know. Let me see if it says that. Well, it says do not leave the liquid on the wheel, so if you leave it too long, it might damage the wheel, the glossy finish. Okay, but the product, it works great. Rinse this one off after 4 minutes and I like it. So now let me do the other 4 wheels, but those I'm gonna do it on a time lapse. Alright, so this is the final product. Car is clean now and the wheels are amazing. Look at this. Ooh, beautiful. Look at this. No spots, nothing, no marks from the liquid, the product, the chemical, nothing. Looks great. Nice and shiny. The tips, super clean. And here you can see, amazing. Yeah, ready for the road, to hit the road. Okay, so my opinion about the product. Let me get it. Let me grab the product. Okay, this is my opinion about this product. It works great, but don't use it too often, okay? Maybe use it once a month or only when the wheels are very dirty, like super dirty. Okay, because this is very strong and you don't want to damage your wheels. Okay, one more thing, the smell of this one is strong. I can still smell the product. Okay, so keep that in mind, but everything is alright. It works great. It cleans the wheels super nice and good, so I recommend it. Okay, the link for this product is gonna be in the description of the video down below, and let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, that's the wheel cleaner. It's amazing, I like it. It cleans the wheels super good. Okay, but remember, the odor of this product is very strong and the chemical is very strong too, so don't use it a lot of times. So maybe just use it once a month or every time that your wheels are super dirty. Okay, but the link of the product is gonna be in the description in the video down below, and also you can get this product at Walmart. Okay, but let me know what you guys think on the comments. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one. I have a lot of videos, so check my channel for more videos like this one. Okay, thank you for watching and see you on the next video.
It's time to jump.